Hello everyone, welcome to BM English Speaking. Today I am going to tell you two sentences and tell me which one is incorrect. The sentences are: I work in a bank. My father worked in a bank. What do you think? Which one is incorrect? The second sentence is incorrect. It's not my father work in a bank, it's my father works in a bank. You guessed it right. Today we are going to learn simple present tense. आज हम सीखेंगे simple present tense verb में कैसे use करते हैं. Well, there are very simple rules which you need to remember. जैसे हम sentence start करते हैं, we all know we always start with subject. Subject is I, we, you, they. Now इन subjects में हम हमेशा verb use करते हैं जो कि होता है base verb. For example, I do, we play, you go, they learn. Whereas the other three subjects which are he, she and it, इसके साथ आप verb use करते हो s और es. For example, she goes, he does, it has. Alright? तो हम लोग आज कुछ examples लेते हैं. For example, I, we, you, they read, he, she, it reads. I, we, you, they do, he, she, it does. Let us take some more examples. I live in Mumbai. My brother, now here the subject is he. My brother lives in London. My parents live in Chennai. पेरेंट्स के साथ हम लोग ने लिव इसीलिए यूज़ किया क्योंकि पेरेंट्स दे होता है. द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज आई हैव लंच एट 2 PM एवरी डे. शी हैज़ लंच एट 2 PM एवरी डे. आई रीड बुक्स एवरी डे. ही रीड्स बुक एवरी डे. इट रेन्स अ लॉट इन इंडिया. द बर्ड flies in the sky. Now that we have seen so many examples, I want you all to take a notebook and a pen with you because now we are going to learn the rules of spellings. Are you all ready? Perfect. So whenever a verb ends with ss, ch, sh and o, it always ends with es. Let us take an example. Go, go. It will become goes, goes. Pass, pass. It will become passes, passes. Now let's take another rule. Whenever a verb ends with y, it always ends with ies. For example, cry, cry. Well, it ends with cries. Fry, fry. You guessed it right. It's fries. Study, study. It ends with ies, which is studies. But learners, there is an exception. If a word ends with y, but उसके पहले का अगर word vowel है, vowels मतलब a, e, I, o, u, तो you will directly put s. Very simple. Stay, sta, which is a vowel, y. It will become stays, stays. So these are very simple grammar rules which you have already noted. It will help you to make the correct spellings. Let us move to adverbs. Now, if I say, I always speak in English, I sometimes do mirror practice, I am using adverbs. Take a notebook and a pen, write some of these adverbs which I am going to tell you now. Always. Always मतलब हमेशा. Usually, आमतौर पर. Often, अक्सर. Sometimes, कभी कभी. Never, कभी नहीं. तो ये adverbs को आपको use कहाँ करना है? Very simple, my friends. You are directly going to use it after your subject. The first example is Adi always arrives at office early. Because subject आदि ही है, आपने arrive में s लगा दिया और आपने always use किया आपके subject के बाद. I want you to note it down. Next, she always has her lunch at 2 p.m. Subject she, adverb always, which you have put after your subject. I never go to gym. I, subject, never, your adverb, go to the gym. She always goes to the gym. तो आज हम लोगों ने सीखा what is simple present tense with verb, rules of spellings and adverbs. The benefit of learning this tense is to frame sentence correctly in simple present tense. You can also follow us on Instagram and take the Instagram quiz. For more such videos, do follow us and do watch our upcoming videos. Thank you so much.